add the clip in your timeline, then select the Edit tab. Then enable Inspector. Select the Video tab. Under Transform, here you'll find Zoom option. Enable Keyframes. And now move your playhead and select the part from which part you want to add zoom in effect. Then again add another keyframe, and this time increase the value for zoom. So this is gonna be zoom in effect. And then move your playhead a little bit. For example, I want to zoom in the video from this part to this part. So here's I'm adding another keyframe, and then I'm moving my playhead a little bit more. I will add zoom out effect. So here's I'm adding another keyframe, and this time I'm decreasing zoom value. Okay, now let's play our timeline and let's see the final result. We can see the zoom in effect, and here is the zoom out effect. Thanks for watching.